Hello, my friends. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Digestion Bingo. Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. The physical and chemical process by which large particles and molecules of food are broken down into simpler, soluble, absorbable, usable forms. A. Digestion. B. Digestion. C. Ingestion. D. Deamination. And the answer is B. Digestion. Tube that transmits food through the body of an animal from mouth to anus. A. Duodenum. B. Colon. C. Alimentary canal. D. Liver. And the answer is C. Alimentary canal. Enzyme found in the tissue of plants and animals. For example, in celery and liver. It breaks down hydrogen peroxide, which is poisonous, to water and oxygen. A. Catalase. B. Lactase. C. Lipase. D. Maltase. And the answer is A. Catalase. Tube that transport bile from the gallbladder to the duodenum. A. Duodenum. B. Bile duct. C. Ileum. D. Lacteal. And the answer is B. Bile duct. Small finger-like extension or processes found in the small intestine which increase the surface area for secretion and absorption. A. Renin. B. Ileum. C. Villi. D. Lacteal. And the answer is C. Villi. Difficulty in eliminating feces may be caused by lack of fiber in the diet. A. Digestion. B. Digestion. C. Constipation. D. Ingestion. And the answer is C. Constipation. A small dead-end tube arising from the caecum in humans. A. Colon. B. Cardiac sphincter. C. Pancreas. D. appendix? And the answer is D, appendix. Contents of small intestine having been acted upon by pancreatic enzyme and bile. A. Chyle. B. Fiber. C. Chyme. D. Boras. And the answer is A. Chyle. A sharp-pointed tooth between the incisors and molars. A. Premolar. B. Molars. C. Incisors. D. Canine tooth. And the answer is D. Canine tooth. Removal of the amino group from amino acid. This is done to excess amino acids in the liver, where the amino group is converted to ammonia and then urea, which is excreted by the kidneys. A. Constipation. B. Deamination. C. Digestion. D. Egestion. And the answer is B. Deamination. The part of the large intestine from the caecum to the rectum. A. Rectum. B. Ileum. C. Villi. D. Colon. And the answer is D. Colon. Enzyme produced by the salivary glands, the pancreas, and the small intestine. It converts starch to maltose during digestion. Its optimum pH is slightly basic. A. Lactase. B. Catalase. C. Amylase. D. Maltase. And the answer is C. Amylase. A fluid secreted by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Contains pigments, cholesterol, and organic salts. It aids digestion by A. Changing the pH of the stomach content from acid to alkaline. B. Emulsifying fats to fatty droplets. And C. Activating pancreatic lipase. A. Bile. B. Chyme. C. Chyle. D. Boras. And the answer is A. Bile. ring of muscle found at the junction of the oesophagus and the stomach. It allows entry of food into the stomach after it has been swallowed, but prevents its return, usually. A. Gallbladder. B. Oesophagus. C. Cardiac sphincter. B. Pharynx. And the answer is C. Cardiac sphincter. Quantity of moist food mixed with saliva, prepared in the mouth for swallowing. A. Chyle. B. Bolus. C. Chyme. D. Bile. And the answer is B. Bolus. The shape, number, and the arrangement of teeth of species or individual mammal varies with diety. A. Dentition. B. Deamination. C. Constipation. D. Ingestion. And the answer is A. Dentition. Hello friends, thank you very much for participating in digestion. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.